Folks, by request, I'm just going to do a quick video on wheat. And I've been bearish on wheat despite all the goings on in Ukraine. This chart's been pretty negative. And we moved down, we broke down through this key support, this red line here. I don't really trade this very much, if at all, not recently anyway, but a lot of folks do. And once we broke down through that support, I was suggesting that we would carry on lower, which we did. But we only got to the bottom of this channel. This is quite a long-term channel. And let me just try and put this on a weekly chart. You can see that's kind of where we are right now. So generally heading down. Wheat seems to like to form these sort of double top spikes. You can see it clearly on the weekly chart. So we've got a big spike there, double top, double top, double top, and this recent sort of channel. If we go back to the day chart, you can see that we did break down through a very key support level. Not only one support level, but two. We broke down through this pink zone and then this red line back down to the bottom of this channel. It's not a precise channel, and I could probably redraw it a little bit better. So let's just drag it down to incorporate that previous spike. And then there's some room to go. If we cut off that spike, and we've just touched the bottom. So it's not really clean, it's not neat, but we've bounced off there quite significantly. We're still below all the moving averages, or the significant ones in any case, the 200 and the 50. We're still below this pink zone. We spiked above it and closed beneath it. So that's not good. But we're above the 20-period moving average, which is something, I suppose. But overall, I'm not too convinced that this is giving us a buy signal, certainly after the candle on Friday. This is a spike high or a wick high or a topping tail, that candle there. But not only that, it's also a dark cloud cover. Dark cloud cover candle forms sort of a new high, and then the candle closes more than 50% of the previous body. I suppose we're on about 50% there, so perhaps not quite a dark cloud cover candle. And there is a bit of support at these wick highs here and these wick lows along here. So a little bit of a messy chart, but what worries me about it, if you are bullish on wheat, and you may well be, it is a channel and we have formed a sort of a bottom against the channel bottom and moved up. But that's a bit of a weak candle on Friday, and I think it's still a really messy market. So I think this could go either way. We could move up to the 200-period moving average and eventually close above this pink zone, or we might have to move back down to this channel. My initial target for this was actually below 500 cents, so that would take us right down to some of these lower levels. Now look at this chart. We've got the rollover coming up on the 16th of November, so that's about 2 or 3 weeks from now, not too far away. I haven't looked at the commitment of traders report, which I'll do quickly now whilst we're online. For this information, you can go to barchart.com. It's a free resource. You get a lot of adverts, which are annoying, but you can kind of get the information that you want to. So let's have a look at the commitment of traders positions as of October the 17th. That's just a few days ago. You can see on the left-hand side here, commercials long 152 and short 86. Producers 73 long, short 63, so pretty balanced. And managed money 63 long, but 173 short. So the trading community, the funds and so on, and the traders in general, made up of funds and retail traders, very net short on the futures contracts. That's a bit of a worry. And when we're so biased to the short side, you should expect a bit of a bounce. And looking at the right-hand side here, we've got non-commercials, 118 long, 188 short, not much in that. And the swap dealers, now these are the people that are the hedgers, and they normally take the opposite side of the expected market move, 57 long and almost no shorts. So that would seem to indicate, in fact, that the market might continue short. Swap dealers are on the long side. So we've got a sort of a conflict between the swap dealers and the hedgers against the managed money. And then other reportables, 55 long and 14 short. So a little bit of a mixed story on the commitment of traders. Let's go back to the charts. And like I said, we've tried to get up through that pink resistance zone, which was a support zone, a very key support zone, and we've failed it with a dark cloud cover candle, or something very close to a dark cloud cover candle. That's the higher high, and then the close around about 50% of the previous bullish candle's body. We're also below the 50-period moving average, but we are above the 20, and we are above this red horizontal support line. We did also bounce off the channel bottom. So I don't know, I wouldn't be committed one way or the other on wheat. I'd like to see some more evidence one way or the other to see which way this might go. Probably a close above this pink zone in order to start edging into some long positions, or a close beneath the 20-period moving average to start edging back into some short positions for a move back down to the channel bottom. And then the ultimate target, if we go to the weekly chart, the green band right down at the bottom here, where the channel meets this green support zone, and that's at around about 450 cents per bushel. That's a long way down from where we are now, but there is potential for wheat to get there. Bear in mind, having said all of that, that this level that we're at right now is a super key level. Look at all of these spikes into the current level that we're at now, and I suspect there's a very large amount of trading volume that's taken place historically over this period, and probably is right now. Well, I hope you found that useful on wheat. Good luck with that. I'm not trading it, but I wish you all the best. If you found this video on wheat useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and maybe put your comments in the comment section below, and if I see there's more interest, I'll do some more videos on wheat. Take care.